Welcome to this Nodalview tutorial. Today we are going to discover a functionality called PhotoMotion. What is PhotoMotion? It's an AI tool which helps you to create dynamic sequences out of static photos. So you just need to take photos with your Nodalview app, and then afterwards AI will do the rest and create professional video sequences. How do we do that? We go into our photo section right here, and then we choose the purple button AI. Afterwards, I will go to the last one, photo motion, and then I can choose a camera motion, which can go from left movement, a right movement, and push in or a zoom out. So for this one, I will go and I will choose for a right movement. So I click here. Each photo motion costs you 3 credits. Or you can add a photo motion pack to your plan. So don't hesitate to ask our team throughout wecare@nodalview.com to add it to your pack if you want to have more photo motion and don't use credits. I click on generate. I'll have to wait a bit, and then afterwards, I'll need to go through my video section to find my photo motion. So here I am in my video section and I will find my photo motion here. So I click on the preview and here we have the results. All right. I can also choose to change the name. So photo motion 1. And then I can add it to my video project. And here, if you add more photo motion of other rooms, you will have a really qualitative and professional video with just photo that you've taken and just AI within 5 minutes. So that's it for this tutorial. Don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any question or want to add photo motion to your plan, and I hope it was helpful for you. Bye-bye.